All right, so let's give you a little bit of an idea of some of the things you might have put together on your slides. Um, let's start with similarities with mother-daughter interactions. Show you a few of the things we saw that were in common here. Actually, the girls from are learning from their mothers in each of these pieces. The mothers and daughters love each other in each of these pieces, and both in the poem and in the essay, both girls admire their mothers. Perhaps you saw some of that and found some things like that. Maybe you found some different things. These are what I found. Some differences. Just give you one here. In my mother piece quotes, I think the mom is teaching history unintentionally here. Not really directly teaching the daughter, but doing it in a way that is just kind of getting picked up by the daughter, even if the mom isn't specifically trying to teach her anything. And in Museum Indians, clearly we see some scenes where the mom is teaching history to her daughter intentionally, making sure that her daughter knows this thing or that thing. And you can probably think of some examples of what I mean when I think that. So notice how those are both pretty similar in kind of their theme or like the topic that they're all about, but they show the difference. This is how the mothers teach differently. For family history, the second slide that you had, here are some similarities I came up with. The moms preserve history in each of these. They've preserved that family history. Both families want to connect to their history, and moms want their histories to be known by others, it seems like, in each of these. Maybe you had something different. These, I think, are three good ones. I'll just give you one difference that I saw between these, and it has to do with, again, that family history, of course. The moms here preserve the family history in my mother piece quotes. While she's making those quotes, she's making those quotes out of the things that the family own, the former things that they used to wear, that kind of stuff. And so it's in a way preserving that history, preserving those memories. Because when we look at those quilts, or when the daughter's looking at those quilts, she's bringing back those memories of those times and the things that happened in her family history. The differences here for my Museum Indians, the mom preserves cultural history. She is really kind of on a mission to make sure that her cultural history and family history even are seen by other people and are depicted in a way that feels right for her. And you can kind of think of some examples maybe that go with what I just said about that. So perhaps you had some more. I hope you had some more. We're going to have you write about this next class. And I just wanted to give you a chance to think about it here. If you have any extra time here, I'm not sure how much time you have. Maybe you want to share a few more with each other and go ahead and make sure you've got a pretty good plan for next class. And we'll make sure that we get our workbooks put back before the end of our time today. Thanks.